Y'all gon' lose one me. Yeah. This one for the patients. For the growers, for the fighters. Who gon' talk to live while the pain though. That's tough. Dragon started hurting, trying just to cope. Knocking on doors, but they give me hope. They take it back when I need it most. Left in the dark while they move too slow. Move out of shock, cause my feet on ground. But locks me out when the pain comes round. Can't take relief like the rest can do. So I turn to the plan that the earth won't screw. Yeah. In the UK they say that's illegal, but they don't care about laws or people. When your body's screaming and help me dead, Dragon had no choice, I had to take care. I ain't chasing highs, I'm chasing peace. Trying to live, trying just to breathe. So I grow my medicine, I speak my truth. For the ones still hurting, yeah, this for you. We ain't criminals, we patients in need. Just trying to live, just trying to breathe. Started the channel just telling my pain. Didn't know the world would feel the same. Then the message just came like worldwide ring. Different accents, but the same damn strain. Wheels to America holding me down. Canada calling, spraying the crowd. Different flags, but the tears the same. Same plan helping us fight this pain. Same rolling clouds, just tense and shit. Growing just to get out of bed. Not for clout, not for fame. Just for a moment without the pain. Now we one big family standing tall. From Johnny grow rooms to giant halls. United by the plan and the fight we face. Different homes but the same damn place. We fighting for the right to grow our own. Not asking for riches, just seeds and soil. Awareness for many, truth for the few. So no more patience with what I went through. This plan brought light when my world went black. Brought brothers and sisters I never had. Now Dragon Cross Ball, we reppin' the cause. For every son of patience stuck in pause. This bigger than me, this bigger than we. This dignity, healing basic human needs. So we stand together, hearts in line, till growing medicine and no crime, right? So we grow our medicine, they stand our grain. From every quiet room to the loudest thing. This time, one plan, one love, one family. Till the world wakes up and finally sees it. From Wales to America, Canada, Spain. Same fight, same plan.